I've been living with my parents since I came into existence. Shit. I still use my dad's car. That kind of tells you a little bit about me. Yes, I come from a middle class family, and yes, I've been spoiled. But I'm moving out. In fact, I'm shopping today for my new studio apartment. Let's not talk about money and responsibilities, alright? Please spare me your advice. I know I need to wake up, but so does every other fucking capitalist pig out there on planet Earth. Okay, I need to calm down. I'll try my best to enjoy this virtual man-made matrix, this bubble of security, the apex of human civilization, the shopping mall supreme. I quit smoking 3 years ago, and ever since, I've been drinking coffee every day.
Hey, John. What's up, buddy? Tonight? I'm free, man. Nellie's back from Lima, eh? No fucking way. I miss that girl. It's been a year since Doesn't she need to rest her? I know it's like a 10-hour long flight, isn't it? Yeah, I can do that. Alright, let's meet at 7 o'clock on the parking lot of Lincoln State. How does that sound? Cool. I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.
Mary, Mary, Mary. Mary was the shit. Mary's big tits. Mary's fat ass. Mary did this. Mary did that. Mary, Mary, Mary. Marry me, Mary. On second thought.
Smithy Johnson.
How's it going, man?
It's going all right. How about yourself?
Good, good. As good as it gets.
I reckon the blame is on Mary, huh?
So, should we take my car, or should we take my car?
I guess we can take your car.
Good times. I didn't realize how much I missed you guys.
Oh, go away. I'm sure you had such an amazing time, and Lehman, you didn't even get to think of us.
Which is the way to go. Live life, be in the moment.
Cheers to that. We're constantly thinking of the past or the future, never of the present, and that needs to change.
That's what I'm talking about.
confession to make. I hate it when people say that I go to Lima just to have fun. Sure, Peru is my home and I love it, but I go there mainly for work, not to visit Machu Picchu. Besides, this is my home now, the second city.
Chi-town. Woohoo! I'm sorry, I didn't mean to exoticize Lima.
It's okay. The jet lag just makes me uber defensive. Thanks for the wine, by the way. It's really tasty.
I just got the cheapest bottle they had.
That's what I love about you, man. Your honesty. As for my contribution, I thought I'd bring us some of nature's finest.
Nice. Now I feel truly at home.
You know I quit smoking. Why the hell did you bring this with you?
Chillax smithereen. This here's homegrown, the good stuff, man. I call it the Incredible Hulk.
Yeah, and I call it that illegal drug that gets you into jail.
Relax, you sound like a conservative. What happened to our bong days?
Oh, those days are over, buddy. You know, I'm just trying to be healthy. Is that too, boring for you?
I wonder, is the problem with the marijuana being an illegal drug?
Psychoactive
or
plant. It's
with
not a
the
drug.
smoke
It's
being in
medicinal.
your lungs?
Mainly the latter.
I can understand that. John, do you have some more of that stuff? I could make us some space cookies for later. Could you eat that?
Maybe.
Let's just have a good time. We're all stressed out and tired from this and that. Let's forget about everything, all right? Let's just relax and enjoy being in the moment together. How about that?
I say let's get hulked out.
Maybe you should have been a shaman, my friend. Have a good evening, my friend. Cheerio. What the fuck is this?
Hey man, you got a cigarette?
What the fuck? Man, there's... I don't know how to... There's a fucking shirtless dude in the backseat of my dad's car. John, I'm not fucking with you. And no, I'm not high. Listen, if you don't believe me, come and see for yourself, but don't waste my fucking time. Sit! Okay. He's naked, he's masturbating, and it sounds like he has a very big dick. I know who to call. Your friend better come quickly before this guy spreads his sperm everywhere inside your car. Don't worry, with the amount of drugs he's on, it'll take this guy forever.
Special Agent Cedric James. Where's the suspect?
Hey, may I have a double shot espresso, please?
I didn't tell my old man the full story. I am sure you know which details I omitted. Nonetheless, I cleaned the car thoroughly, even though I thought of burning it a couple of times.
Hey man, could I bum a cigarette? I don't know, I just saw your lighter. I thought you smoked. Could I get one?
Oh, I quit today, but you can have the pack and the lighter.
Really? Hey, thanks, man. You know, I'll probably quit one of these days too. But I only got one vice in the world. It's smoking. Well, that sucks. Well, hey man, thank you for the cigarettes and the lighter. I'll see you around.